Okay, I give you a few tips if you are going to change radiator or other these parts on Range Rover Sport 2006 or 2006 or to 2012 when the new model came out. Anyway, you don't need to take this away, but for sure it will help. If you remove this part, you will have a lot of more space, but it's not necessary to take this off. But what I recommend, take everything off from this area, everything from this area, and everything from this area, because you can move all the hoses and everything to this area. So it's then it's actually very easy to put this on its place. So actually it's not so bad to put this new parts on place. When I was removing the old parts, I thought this will be very difficult to put new parts on the place. Okay, that's it.